Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this information helpful. Today, we're diving into a review of Petal, a credit card designed to help people build or rebuild their credit. You can find more information by visiting their website at www.petalcard.com. Petal offers a unique approach to credit card applications, looking beyond traditional credit scores to assess your creditworthiness. They consider factors like your income, spending habits, and banking history to determine your eligibility. This can be a great option for those who are new to credit or have had credit challenges in the past. One of Petal's standout features is their lack of fees. They offer cards with no annual fee, no late payment fees, and no foreign transaction fees. This makes budgeting and managing your card much easier and predictable, which can be particularly beneficial when you're focused on building positive credit. Petal also offers a helpful mobile app that allows you to track your spending, manage your account, and even get personalized insights into your financial habits. They provide resources and tools to help you make informed decisions about your credit and finances. If you're looking to establish or improve your credit, Petal could be a valuable tool. Their consideration of non-traditional factors, combined with their fee-free structure, makes them a compelling option in the credit card landscape. It's worth checking out their website at www.petalcard.com to learn more and see if Petal is the right fit for you. Remember, responsible credit card use is key to building a strong financial future. Be sure to read all the terms and conditions before applying for any credit card. For more information on personal finance tips and reviews, stay tuned to Rome Tech. We'll be back with more helpful content soon. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on managing your finances. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions about Petal or any other financial topics. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.